Today we will be demonstrating weather prediction model created in our BDB Predictive Workbench. So we have created it using Python workspace. Let's open the Python workbench. We'll be opening the weather prediction model. So this model has been created by dragging and dropping the various relevant components, connecting them and configuring them accordingly. We will run this workflow. The aim of this model is to predict the apparent temperature on the basis of the humidity level in the atmosphere. So this workflow is run. First is the CSV file data source. So this component is fetching the data from a CSV file which has 5000 rows of data with various columns having independent and dependent variable. We can check in the result tab the various rows and columns. Next to it is a Python linear regression model. So this component would chart a linear regression curve showcasing how independent variable is influencing the dependent ones. For this component, we have chosen the dependent column as apparent temperature and humidity as independent column. So we would now like to see the result. This is the result given by the component with some predicted values. And here is the very beautiful visualization of the linear regression chart. You can see the details at any point. Next to it is a Python apply model. So basically from this you can save your workflow as a model and consume it inside another workflow. This is a data writer. So we are writing our predicted data back into MySQL. In the result tab, you can view the results of this model. Here are the predicted values for the apparent temperature, and here are the actual values. So once this model is saved as a saved Python model, it can be later used inside another workflow. Here is the component. Thank you.